why we came here? Well, here's an old metal factory and it has been abandoned years and years ago. As you can see, it's growing trees around, but after a while actually they opened the place, so you can come here and wander around in an old factory. Yeah, let's go inside and see what's in there. Sometimes finding the perfect parking space is taking a lot of time. First we were there, not good place. There was some youngsters actually rallying with their cars, and yeah, I saw a lot of young people there opening their trunks. Then we parked there on this spot. We thought that this is too on the side, and finally we decided that this is the safest and the best parking spot. It's between the two parking spots. We can see the van, a whole lot of people can see the van, so if somebody wants to go inside he has to do it while everyone else is watching. Yes, and we decided to be overnight here. That this is our first night in Duisburg, this parking spot. Yeah, I think there will be a music listened around this area, but hopefully we can get sleep.
Amazing complex of old factory buildings. It's all abandoned, but you can come here, so it's not like forbidden thing. See the little history of this town.
And this place is just not just for adults to explore the place, but also the kids. They have actually slide that starts from there and ends here. And before that there is actually a climbing place, so you can go climbing on these walls.
This factory has been huge.
Sun is setting, nice views, really beautiful.
I love how the nature has overtaken the whole place. I love the contrast, like rustic and this really bright green color and the blue skies. Oh, this is scarier than any spook house ever. I was too chicken shit to go upstairs, but we are kind of high here though.
Yes, and the sunset, we have the perfect timing to get here. And there's lots of love locks. Every piece of equipment has love lock. Yes, and everyone knows what we think about love locks.
Imagine working here in the summer heat, how hot this place gets. Like, ooh. It just breaks the sweat to even think about that idea.
Yeah, like being here, you have like a, I don't know how big, 45-meter high oven, where it's like something around over 1000 degrees,
Yeah.
and you are working here. Yeah.
I don't know how many injuries there were. I get sick a lot.
And up there we were just a while ago. Magnificent place. And now we have a crate again, and you can see it down, and Sarah is struggling, but she has done a really great thing.
I'm not struggling, I'm still smiling.
You remember?
Just ignore the white knuckles.
Yes, you remember, like, shut mouth, scared at hell.
You should see my pants.
Ew.
Nature has truly taken over this factory. Look all the green things. They are eating the concrete. So we were kind of planning if we could spend the night maybe here. Like good industrial vibe going on. Look, our van would fit there. This would be epic.
And during the evening time they actually turn all the lights on here. So there's a new way of seeing this place. Yes, we have been actually wandering here for hours. And now the sun is setting finally, and we can actually see the
Light show.
light show. Pretty awesome. These are the experiences that you always remember. It's not town halls or churches. And
Or even waterfalls.
yes. So, we prefer these kind of experiences. Pretty awesome.
And these are totally free. Not even paid parking. Yay! 2 thumbs up.
Yeah, but I was actually thinking that I would actually pay for this kind of experience.
Yeah, me too.
So, love it, love it, love it. We are actually waiting the sun to go down completely, and then we can admire the rest of the lighting.
Yeah. Not so sure if the GoPro catches the dark lights, but let's see.
Fingers crossed. Germany, Duisburg, and IKEA.
Yeah, they had something wrong with the Wi-Fi, so we couldn't.
Actually upload the videos. That was one of the reasons why we went there. But no goes on. We have still 3 videos that we have to upload somewhere where we can find good and fast Wi-Fi. But we went also there because we wanted to go. We had a couple of things that we wanted to buy from IKEA.
Shopping spree!
Sarah has wanted a long time for wooden...
Cutting board.
yes. So now she has it.
Yeah, and they are always selling like a huge ones. You cannot fit a huge one in the van. So this is like a van sized.
Yes, that's good. And another thing that we went there was the Allemansratbullen.
They are huvudroll called in Germany. So these plant-based meatballs, these are delicious. I love them.
Yeah, so now we have this
Freezer full of good.
protein for veggies.
Yeah.
Yes, and I bought hot dogs and kanelbullar. Couple of things that I want to always buy from there.
Yeah.
50 cents for hot dogs, and bullar is €1.
I love the smell.
I think I'm gonna actually make coffee.
And also we wanted to go to frukost, the breakfast, to eat the IKEA breakfast because it's so cheap and delicious.
Yes, €1 for breakfast, but there wasn't actually serving for breakfast.
Yeah.
Sad face.
No Wi-Fi and no breakfast, but everything else went smoothly.
Yes, it's a morning time, so it's just actually opened, and there's quite many people because on the morning time we went stroll with the dogs and there wasn't anyone.
Yeah.
So
Everybody is at the IKEA.
yes, so nice morning stroll in IKEA, and now we
Yeah.
can actually enjoy the hot dogs, and
I can enjoy my cutting board.
we can actually spend another night or 2 in Duisburg.
We love the Duisburg now.
Yes.
It's our new hometown.
I'll eat my veggie hot dog, and that's my breakfast. Second breakfast. That's most important thing when you are retiree. You have to have a second breakfast.
This is quite a lovely parking spot because it has big trees and it provides us very much shade in a sunny day like now.
Yeah, in the hot days it's really good to go to places where trees give you shade and you can actually enjoy living in a van rather than on some gravel lot where is no shade. It will be hot in a van in no time.
Yeah. There's a few hours of good weather, so we are going to go jogging and then it starts to rain. So we will shelter the rain in this beautiful parking lot.
Yeah, it's just a normal parking lot of the lake. There is a lake actually just around us everywhere. So in the summertime people come here to enjoy the lake, but now when it's autumn or off season, actually it's still summer weathers.
Yeah.
People don't come here anymore. And as you can see, all the parking lots are empty. It's just motorhomes and vans. And
yeah, very popular among the camper vans. We went to this walking roller coaster. It was really nice experience. They have built the stairs going all the swivel movement.
Yeah, I think it's some kind of art piece and art piece that you actually walk into.
Yeah.
And yeah, it was really nice experiences. Weird things in Germany.
But place was really crowded. And also we popped in the landscape park here in Duisburg.
Yeah, it's an old factory, abandoned factory, steel.
And coal factory, I think.
Yeah. And
whoa, what an experience.
Couple of decades ago it was abandoned and now the city took over and they make this outdoor park.
Yeah, you can climb there, you can parkour there. There's even a bunker full with water, so you can scuba dive there.
And we had actually a good night's sleep over there with the van.
Yeah.
Yeah, even if there's some youngsters actually rallying and listen to music, but we got actually good night's sleep.
I think we both were so tired after the excitement day, so we slept like a baby's butt. Can you say that? Now we can.
Now we can. But yes, we can actually go walk around the lake and just enjoy the mornings and before it gets too hot.
Or too rainy.
Yes.
It's so easy to slip into unhealthy habits when the food prices are so low and you are in the country which has the best beer in the world and the beer is really cheap.
Yes.
So
let's go walk and let's get rid of this tummy. Quack, 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 quack.
just the ducks here.
It's just the two fat ducks. Quack, quack,
Quacking
quack,
away.
quack.